Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to parameterize Pytests in Python. Let's start by looking at the tests directory. I have a conf test.py file and two test files. The conf test.py file contains a fixture function called read_config. The first test file contains two test functions to test the cash_sales report. The second test file contains one test function to test the customer report. To parameterize a test function, you have to use @pytest.mark.parameterize decorator. For the test first query function, I'm defining 4 values for the keyword parameter. On line 10, I'm asserting whether all these 4 keywords appear in the query output for the cash sales report query 1. When I run this test, you can see that all 4 tests passed, which means all of the 4 keywords that we passed as a parameter appear in the query output. Say I wanted to pass 2 parameters, num and keyword. To do that, you have to pass the values in a list of tuples. Here I'm using the num parameter in the print function and the keyword parameter in the assert statement. When I execute this test file, I see that all the 7 tests passed, which means all the keywords passed as a parameter appear in the query output. If I change one of the keyword parameter values to XYZ, I would expect one of the tests to fail. Finally, to export the test results, click on the Export Test Results button. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.